Hello children, Namaste everyone, welcome back to the mathematics class. Hope you are doing well at home. Dear children, in our last video we have seen about numbers. So what is the expanded form of number and letters for digits we have seen. If a letter is given in a number, how to identify that the value of that particular letter? That is what we have seen in our last video. Today let us see some tests of divisibility. So how to identify a number which is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9 or 10. That is what we are going to learn in today's video. See, first let us see about 2. How to identify a number which is divisible by 2. Number divisible by 2. How to identify? See here, a number which is divisible by 2 means it must be the multiple of 2. Therefore, very easily you can say a number which is divisible by 2 or not. For example, let us consider a number. Say 542, whether it is divisible by 2 or not. See here, it contains 5 into 100, expanded form you know, 500, 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10. 5 into 100, 100 is divided, it will be divided by 2, 100 divisible by 2 and 5 into 100 also divisible by 2. Then 4 into 10, 10 divisible by 2. And 4 is also divisible by 2. And the last one, see 4 into 10 plus 2. This is expanded form. See 5 into 100 divisible by 2. 4 into 10 because 10 is divisible by 2. 4 into 10 also divisible by 2. The last one is whether it is divisible by 2 or not. You have to check here whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Whether 2 divisible by 2 completely, yes. 2 we can divide 2 by 2. Therefore, we can say 542 is divisible by 2. Now, let us consider another number. Says 261. See, 261 we can write 2 into 100. 2 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 1. 6 into 10 plus 1. Here, 2 into 100. 200 divisible by 10. Okay, 100 divisible by 10. 2 into 100 also divisible, 100 divisible by 2, therefore 2 into 100 also divisible by 2, plus 6 into 10, 10 divisible by 2, therefore 6 into 10 is also divisible by 2. Okay, this 260 we can divide. Okay, then one more remains, that is 1. Whether 1 is divisible by 2? No, we can't divide 1 completely by 2. We will get a decimal. Therefore, 261 can't be divided by 2. It cannot be divided by 2. Therefore, we can say this 261 not divisible by 2. So, always remember the last digit or digit in the unit place decides whether that particular number is divisible by 2 or not. So, to decide whether it is divisible by 2 or not, we have to check the last digit. Therefore, in the last digit or in the unit place, if that digit contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these 5 digits are there in the unit place. In any number, that particular number is divisible by 2. So, remember how to check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. To check a number is divisible by 2 or not, any one of these digits must be there in the unit place or ones place, in the last place. It must be there in the last place. Okay, this number decides that the particular number is divisible by not or divisible by 2 or not. Okay, this is about divisibility by 2. Next, let us check about 10. Whether that number is divisible by 10 or not. That number divisible by 10. Which numbers are divisible by 10? See how to check. See 10 means here it must be the multiple of 10. See 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the numbers divisible by 10. Consider these numbers. Say I tried 27, 36, 42. See, you can't divide 27 by 10 completely, or 36 by 10 completely, or 42 by 10 completely, like that. So here you can divide 10. It's a first multiple of 10, and this is the second multiple of 10, third multiple of 10. So all these numbers are divisible by 10. Therefore, if you observe the last digit of that numbers and the last digit of this numbers, see in the last digits here, the last digit of these numbers is 0. Last digit is 0 here in all these numbers, and here other than zeros numbers are there. So if the last digit of a particular number is 0, then such a number is divisible by 10. So remember always how to check whether a number is divisible by 10 or not. You have to check the last digit, or digit in the unit place is 0. So remember, if digit in the unit place is 0, such numbers are divisible by 10. Remember, if digit in the unit place is non-zero, that means other numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 7, 8 or 9, such numbers are in the unit place, then that number is not divisible by 10. So remember. Next, a number which is divisible by 5. See how to check a number is divisible by 5. See, for example, 42. If you divide it by 5, what is the answer? 5, 8 times it goes, but 1 remainder remains. How much? 2 remainder. So 8 quotient 8 and 2 remainder. So 5 times you can divide 42 by 5, 8 times, and 2 remainder is 2. Therefore, in the unit place, if there is 5 or 0, because 10, see, if in the unit place, if it is 0 in the unit place, you can divide it by 10. But 10 you can divide it by 5 also, not only by 10, you can divide it by 5. So, see here 0 is 10 or multiples of 10. All that 10 or multiples of 10 can be divided by 5. Other than that, if 5 is in the unit place, see for example 15, 25, 45, see all these numbers are also divisible by 5. Therefore, remember, if 5 and zeros in the unit place, if 5 and 0 is in the unit place, then such numbers are divisible by 5. So remember this. Okay. So how to identify whether a number is divisible by 5 or not? We can check whether a number is divisible by 5 or not by checking the last digit of that particular number. Can you tell me whether this number is divisible by 5? No, you can't divide it by 5 because in the unit place there is 2. Therefore, you can't divide this number by 5. Can you check? Can you divide this number by 5? Yes, you can divide it by 5 because 0 is there in the unit place. Can you divide this number by 5? Can you divide this number by 5? Yes, we can divide this number by 5. Why? Because 5 is there in the unit place. Therefore, if 0 and 5 in the unit place, such numbers are divisible by 5. If other than 0 and 5 are there in the unit place, such numbers cannot be divided by 5. So this is how we can check whether a particular number is divisible by 5 or not. Okay. Then 2 more numbers remain. So 2 over, 10 over, 5 over. Next 3. How to check a number is divisible by 3? Number divisible by 3. Number divisible by 3 and 9. How to check a number is divisible by 3 or 9? See, very easily you can check whether a number is divisible by 3 or 9. See, if a number is divisible by 9, that particular number is also divisible by 3 because 3 is a factor of this 9. Therefore, if you divide it by 9, that number can be divided by 3 also because you can divide 9 by 3. Therefore, you can divide. But a number which is divisible by 3 cannot be divided by 9. Therefore, the numbers which are divisible by 3 are also divisible the number which are divisible by 3 may or may not be divisible by 9. So how to check this number? If a large number is given, for example, I will write a number 3573. Look at this number, 3573. Look at this number. Let us check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Now if you expand this number, how to expand this number? Dear children, 3573 means 3000. 3000 is 3000. See, 3000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 3. This is how we can expand the number. 3000 means what? 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000. Correct? Plus 5 into 100. Is it correct? Yes, 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 3. Look at this. Plus 3. 3 into 1000. Now we have to check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. 1000 cannot be divided by 9. But if you add 1 or if you subtract 1 from that, let's see, if you subtract 1, it becomes 999. Is it? So 999. So 3 into 1000, 3000. 3 into 999 plus 1. I will write it as 1000 as 999 plus 1. It becomes 1000. 999. How it becomes? See here also 100 instead of 100, 99 divisible by 3 because divisible by 9. 10 times 9 tens are 90. How much? 9 11s are 99. So 100 we can write as 99 plus 1. Okay. And 7 plus 10. How you can write 7 plus 10? 7, 10. Can't be divided 10 by 9. So but 9 can be divided by 9. So I will write 10 as 9 plus 1. I will write like this and plus 3. It is like this. Here see 3 into 999 plus 1 means 3 into 999 plus 3 into 1. 3. The meaning is like this. See 3 into 999 plus 3. The meaning what? Here 999 is divisible by 9 and 3 times of 999 is also divisible by 9. Therefore, this 3 into 999 divisible by 3 and 1 plus 3 is remained here. Is it? In the same way, 99 is divisible by 9 and 5 into 99 also divisible by 9. So 5 into 99 and 599. You will write 5 into 1 as 5. So this is divisible by 9. 1 5 remained here. Next, come here. 7 into 9 plus 7 into 1. 7 we can say. So 7 into 9 is also divisible by 9. And plus 3 remained here. One more. 3 here. Look at this. 3 into 999 divisible by 3. 9. And plus 3 and this is divisible by 9 and this is divisible by 9. What is remained here? 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3. We have to check the sum of this is divisible by 3 or not, 9 or not. So what is the sum of this? See, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Whether 18 is divisible by 9? 18 is divisible by 9. How many times? 2 times. So you can divide 18 2 times by 9. Therefore, we can say 18 divisible by 3. Divisible by 9. Therefore, what is this 3, 5, 7, 3? 3, 5, 7, 3. That is the digits of that given number. Look at this. 3, 5, 7, 3 means the digits of the 3, 5, 7, 3. Look at this. So 3, 5, 7, 3. So very easily you can identify, isn't it? See, very easy. Whether a particular number is divisible by 9 or not, to check what we have to do, whether that the sum of the digits of that particular number is divisible by 9 or not. You have to check. See, this number is now divisible by 9. We can say we can divide 3573 by 9. Whether it is divisible by 3, yes, we can divide by 3 if the sum of the digits. So remember, if any number n which is divisible by 9, divisible by if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Or we can say like this, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಕೆಗಳ ಸಮ್ 9 ನಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕೂಡ 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, such number is divisible by 9. Remember, or if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, such number is divisible by 3 also. Suppose if the sum of the digits is not divisible by 3, that particular number is not divisible by 3. Now let us see whether this number is divisible by 3. What you have to do? You have to count, you have to add all the digits of the number. The digits of the number is 18. Whether 18 is divisible by 3? Yes, we can divide 18 by 3. How many times? 6 times. 6 are 18. Therefore, we can divide 18 by 3 completely. Therefore, we can say this number is also divisible by 3. Okay. Now I will write another number. Look at this number. For example, I will write another number. I will write 3576. 3576. How to check? Very easily you can say the sum of the digits is whether it is divisible by 9 or not, or whether it is divisible by 3 or not. What you have to do? You have to add the digits. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6. What is the sum? What is the sum? Sum is 3 plus 5 is 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. Whether 21 is divisible by 9, can you divide 21 by 9? No, you can't divide 21 by 9 completely. Is it? Therefore, this number is not divisible by 9. Not divisible by 9. Isn't it? You can't divide it by 9. Yes. Whether this is divisible by 3. So, what is the sum? 21. Can you divide 21 by 3 completely? Yes. We can divide 21 by 3 completely. How many times? 7 times. 3 7s are 21. Therefore, we can divide this number by 7. Therefore, 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. We can divide this number, this 3576 divisible by 3. So remember, 3576 cannot be divided by 9, but 3576 can be divided by 3. So this is very easy. Therefore, we can say how to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, that number can be divided by 9. If the sum of the digits is not divided by 9, you can't divide that number by 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that number is also divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is not divisible by 3, that number is also not divisible by 3. Now let us check one more number whether it is divisible by 3 or not. I will write see, look at this. See, one number I have written 1,52,875. Whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Let us check. How to check? 1, not necessary to divide that number. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7. What is the sum of plus 5? See, 1, 5, 2, 8, 7, 5. What is the sum of the digits? 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 7, 23, 23 plus 5 is 28. Sum is 28. Whether this number is divisible by 9? No, you can't divide 28 by 9 completely. Therefore, this number 1,52,875 is you can't divide it by 9. Whether this number is divisible by 3, you have to check 28 is divisible by 3 or not. 28 cannot be divided by 3. Therefore, this number cannot be divided by 3 also. Therefore, remember, this number 1,52,879 cannot be divided by 3 or cannot be divided by 9. So, it is very easily we can check. Okay. Next, I will write one more number. Look at this. for example 2, 1 or 4, 6, 5, 8, 7. Look at this number. Look at this number. Whether this is divisible by 3 or not. Let us check. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. What is the sum of this? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 4, 26 plus 4 is 33. Can you divide it by 9? You can't divide 33 by 9 completely. Therefore, this number you can't divide by 9. Whether you can divide it by 9 by 3, whether this 33 is divided by 3, yes, we can divide it by 3. Therefore, we can divide it by 3. Therefore, we can say this number say 21,46,587 can be divided by 3 but not by 9. Okay, so like this we can check a number is divisible by 3 or 9. Like this we can check. So in the same way you have to do some problems from the textbook. So go through the textbook. If you have not collected it from your school and try to do the questions given in the textbook. Okay, I hope you have understood how to identify whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9 or 10. Okay, so go through your textbooks and try to do some question. I will send some notes regarding this class lesson today. Today's lesson in your WhatsApp groups, and you just write down that notes and try to send me back. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you, one and all.